Hello fellow real estate investors, my name is Christopher Gill. I'm a licensed real estate broker, developer, and wholesaler based in San Antonio, Texas, and I'm proud to introduce you to a brand new tool to fit into your arsenal of your real estate marketing efforts. I am proud to introduce you today to REI Data X, the most premier data product available for investors. This tool gives you the four most important areas of data that you need to effectively market to potential home sellers. That includes property stats and information about the physical condition of the property, financial information about the property, demographic information about the owner and people associated with the property, and of course, contact information, phone numbers, and emails so you can get in touch with them and get contracts signed. We have also developed a never-before-seen tool that allows you to dig deeper into properties that you know are going to be home run deals. How many times have you spent months mailing, calling, texting, your call center has been reaching out to a property and none of the phone numbers are working and you can't get a hold of anyone? We have developed a way that we can create a profile around that property and around people that may know or be related to the owner, put them through our data tool, and give you literally dozens of additional contact points to get that yes or no answer about whether you can purchase the property. Don't give up on those deals anymore. We've developed a way to do this at scale and allow you to close deals that you thought were really unclosable. We can't wait to begin working with you and your team, saving you time and money, less worry about data and whether it's correct or not, and more time out there signing contracts and closing deals.